Good afternoon. My name is Sean Michael Walker with Premier Group Insurance, and this is an Insurance You Indemnify Me short. Today, I wanted to tell you about a presentation that I saw a few months ago in the state of Utah at a mastermind, and we had a presentation from a CEO named Wade Everly. Go Google him. Very, very interesting fellow. He was a spy for the United States, I think. Maybe. I don't even know if I'm allowed to say that. I assume I'm allowed to say that. But he worked for the intelligence community. He became a CEO for a few different companies, but I think most notably for an airline that he created that didn't sell tickets. That's pretty unique. That's pretty wild. That's pretty out there thinking. He sold subscriptions. So basically the California marketplace alone, for $2,000 a month, you can have unlimited flights anywhere in the California marketplace. So it really catered well to folks that were constantly flying back and forth from LA to San Francisco and San Francisco to LA and then bouncing over to Santa Barbara and so on and so forth, right? And so this is incredibly unique, but Wade, the crux of his presentation was being different was his superpower. He talks about how he was raised and how he has all of these life experiences that make him incredibly different than most people, and how all of those experiences, as opposed to looking at them and going, man, this is not cool. This is going to make me a freak at school, or this is going to make me a weirdo with my peers, or this is going to make me different and I just want to fit in. He took all of those really weird experiences or all of those things that made him different and embraced them and said, you know what? I'm totally cool with being different. And if you don't like me because I'm different, that's okay. But he talks about how CEOs in general have to have this attribute in order to be successful. Think about Jeff Bezos, very different individual. Think about Elon Musk, incredibly different individual, right? He does not march to the beat of anybody's drum but his own drum. And we all know, if you don't know this, Elon Musk's ultimate goal in life is to get humans on and living on Mars, right? Every business model he's ever created has been with the objective of making enough money to get humans on Mars, right? And so he did PayPal, he did Tesla. The entire auto industry has been turned on a dime because Elon Musk was different and was marching to a different beat in his own head. He's got, his space companies, and he's got the Boring Company, which is really interesting to look at. But the more you study CEOs, the more you realize, wow, these folks are really, really different. So the question for you today, as we wrap up really, really quickly here, is how are you being different? How are you being innovative? Does your staff look at you as the leader who doesn't care if he fits in or doesn't fit in? You're the leader and you're driving the initiatives of your agency, or are you complacent and are you okay with being the same? Really, I learned a lot from this presentation and took away, I want to be dramatically more cutting edge, dramatically more different, thinking outside of the box more frequently, selecting a direction in which we'll go and going that direction and saying, I'm positive this is the right direction. If it's not, we'll course correct later. Elon Musk has to course correct every once in a while. Being different doesn't mean you're always right, but being different means you go places where your peers are not going. Are you going places where your peer insurance agencies in town are simply not going? My name's Sean Michael Walker with Premier Group Insurance, and this has been an Insurance You Indemnify Me podcast. We will catch you later.